Hey everybody, hope you're well. Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. This is part of the OnePlus The Lab². This is the Insta360 GO 2. So it's made by Insta360, is a company. It's the Go 2 kind of action sports cam. It's like a very small cam. This has probably been out for a while, so there's probably other reviews and things already out there, but hey, what's one more gonna hurt, right? So without further ado, let's take a look at this. So this is the box. This is the, I guess, the packaging that they ship it in, right, rather than the actual box itself. So there's a box inside the box. Insta360, that's the company. I haven't heard of these people before, but they've been around since 2015, and it looks like they make quite interesting action and sports cams and stuff like that. So I'm kind of keen to checking this out. You know, see how a novice like me can use it, and see what's kind of interesting. Anyway, so you got the logo around Chase Adventure. That's just a normal box. You got the kind of, you have this kind of pleated hair here, kind of pull string, and that's kind of neat and interesting because it actually reminds me of the original OnePlus One. Because if you can recall, way back when in 2014, you know, the OnePlus One had this kind of tab that you would pull on the packaging, so it's quite neat and different at that time. So that's interesting to see a similar design here, or again, like with say the Nothing Ear one, they have something like that as well in their package, like a little tab you can pull it, so it makes it easier for packaging. So that's cool. So let's just do it. Let's just do the. Yeah, there you go. There's a nice sounding ASMR for you, people who like that stuff. And then drum roll. What's inside? Oh my god! And then we have a box. Of course, there's a box in a box. Of course, there's a box in the box. It's in the box. Ooh, we also got something else actually. Oh, okay. We got. Oh, okay. We got something. So we have. Okay, so this is the actual camera. So we can say, I said it's the Insta360 GO 2, the tiny mighty action cam. And that picture looks pretty tiny. I mean, think of a finger. It's probably as big as these, or I don't know. And we also got, I didn't actually expect, I wasn't too sure what they're gonna give us like for this stuff, but it's the invisible selfie stick. That's cool. Selfie stick is awesome because we can try things and lots of ideas to just try this out. So let's look at the main thing, the Insta360. This is quite a solid, it's a kind of small box. I mean, it's big as my hand. It's as big as a book. So it's kind of small and compact. So that's nice. It's not big by any means. Yeah. So logo. This is a kind of floating in the air camera. The hand. I guess we got some different kind of action and, you know, shots of people using it and how they're using different stuff. It's quite colorful. And the back we got, oh, what's in the box? Okay, this is multi-language. So we have the actual camera. It's got a charging case. It's got the charge cable, a magnet pendant. Okay, EasyClip, pivot stand, and then the quick start guide. And the charge, okay, the charge case can use for storage, remote control tripods. That's pretty cool. That's like, that's pretty neat. I mean, that's pretty multifunction. That's kind of interesting design, how they designed, you know, the storage and all that as an all-in-one thing. The logo on the back. Then we got the. Okay, what else we got here? So we got some, I guess, some functions and features of the actual camera. Flow state stabilization. I have no idea what that is, but I'm guessing it's stabilizing. Hands-free. You know, I guess there's an app or a remote control. So obviously it's got high frame rates and stuff. Mount it anywhere. It's waterproof. Oh, that'd be cool. So try some underwater shots. Test it out. Editing, slow-mo. Slow-mo is always fun. Hyperlapse is fun as well. Remote control. That's nice to see. Ooh, Wi-Fi preview. So that's pretty cool. So you can, like, I guess, mount the camera and use your phone to check out the feature. Ooh. And then this is the invisible selfie stick. That's cool. That's a bonus. So let's crack her open, shall we? There you go. There you go. Top tip: don't cut your nails when you're trying to unbox something. Okay, now how do we open it? Does it open? Okay. Okay, so it's just like a mobile phone box. It's just a bit sectioned in. Ooh, oh, okay. Oh, I see. Wow, that is tiny, man. What the hell? So that's the actual camera. I mean, that's really small. I mean, I got the Buds Pro, if you remember those. The case, and that's like it's as high as a case. That's so amazing. That's really tiny. That'd be cool, fun. That's gonna be fun to look at. Okay, so that's the camera. Don't know if there's anything inside. Go. Magnet pendant instructions. Okay. It's like that's interesting. That's like so I'm guessing that's like like a necklace, which is like, so I guess you can use this for like live blogging and stuff like that, or like just wear it around your shirt or something and recording stuff. That'd be kind of neat. It reminds me a bit of the there was a Microsoft camera they'd done something similar. Apparently, actually, this kind of stuff is actually good for people who have like Alzheimer's. If you can record the videos and pictures of the day, and you play them back to people, it helps them actually remember. So that's there's other uses just for action sports. So that's quite neat. Okay, so we have the usual pamphlets, quick start guide. Okay, this is all. Ooh, that's cool. We have the usual. Oh, actually, what have we got? Oh, I got stickers even. Haha, stickers. Ah, cool. That's pretty neat. I've seen stickers since like the OnePlus phones. That's cool. It's got some stickers, disclaimers, wow, a bunch of languages, and this is like a quick start guide. So that's, I need to have a read of that. That's gonna be fun. Oh, okay. So that's actually on a magnet. So that must be the pendant. So there's the actual camera. That is so small. Alright, cool. Check that out. Okay. There you go. Got it. There you go. I think I got it. Maybe not. Ta-da! Right, there's the pendant. Cool. That's pretty strong. That's quite a strong magnet pendant. Cool. Okay, I look forward to checking that out. And then what else have we got in here? We standard USB Type C cable. So we're charging and transferring. And then we have a clip or a mount of some sorts for mounting the. Oh, this is actually really cool. I must admit, this is quite nice. This is it's almost like the Buds. These are not earphones. They're not, it's not Insta360 TWS earphones. So no, it does look like it looks like an earphones case. But so this must be the charger kind of. There you go. It's got like a little. So it's like a remote control as well. That's so cool. So I guess you can use that to charge the camera, and then you can like put the camera somewhere and go click 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 and have a remote shutter or do something else. Sweet. That's pretty neat. That's quite clever actually. And I've got another. Oh, oops, I'm done. Okay, another mount. Pivot stand. Okay, so there's another. Oh, okay, so you can like. Oh yeah, that's always handy. Oh, that's really cool. So there's a lot of like options for mounting this thing. So yeah, I mean, definitely, you gotta get some interesting shots with that, or videos and things of these different mounts. It looks like it. And then let's look at the invisible. This is the invisible selfie stick. How is that? Okay, let's have a look at this. It's invisible! Oh my god! No. No, I'm just joking. It's not. It is actually visible! But they lied. It's not an invisible selfie stick. Because I can see it! It's in my bloody hand! What are they talking about? Invisible selfie stick. Look, it's there. It's right here. So, I mean, it's a quite nice stick. It's pretty cool. It's like a metal. It's quite. Yeah, it's like made of metal. So, and well, actually, this is a bit. Okay, this is a bit. This is like a rubber. So this bit is sort of rubberized here, so that you have a good grip. That's nice. So it won't slip out your hand. And then this bit is actually metal. So the whole thing has kind of got a nice. It's got a nice build quality, actually. It's got a nice build. There you go. Yeah. So thanks for watching.